Hello, and welcome to today's tutorial. Today we'll be looking at Power Select. Now to Power Select through a model, go to the Selection tab. And here if you click on any face or edge, you can click the magnifying glass to search for results. But under the options, in the Application menu, you can go to the Advanced group and automatically calculate power selection results. So if we click OK, now when we select on the model, it'll automatically calculate it for us, depending on which face or edge we select on. So also what we can do is select on a round and modify the way Space Claim searches for it. So let me expand the side window, and notice that we can specify a size to search for, or have it find all the rounds, or just the concave ones versus the convex ones. And I'll type in a new size. So now we can use this to remove things on the model, and we'll fill those in, or we could search for other things. Notice that we have all coincident faces and a drop-down showing all of the ones that are there. And we can Control select them to grab them, or select the top group, and pull that one way or the next. Now let's go through and search for something else. We can grab a hole, and notice we have all the equal radius holes that are there. So we could grab them, or grab all the coaxial surfaces to remove them, or we can go through and select on an edge. This is useful because it finds edges of the same length, enabling you to round them or make changes to them without having to select on them one at a time. So thank you for watching today's tutorial on power selection, and I hope it helps you out.